Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to send an email from a contact's owner on HubSpot. HubSpot values efficiency and designed their systems to be as efficient as possible. It is designed in a way that it can be easily used by your employees. After you've set up the ownership of the contact, you can send them an email right away by just choosing an email template. You won't even need to change anything on the email. You just need to set up the email in a way that it will use the contact owner property as the email sender. Using the contact owner property, you may use personalization tokens in your marketing emails to make them the from name and the from address appear as having been sent from the specific owner. In this way, as long as the email template is set up properly, you can use it freely, and this will save you a lot of time in composing one. Now, let us walk you through how to send an email from a contact's owner. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. First, log into your HubSpot account. That's www.hubspot.com. Click the Marketing tab on top, then select Email on the drop-down. On the email dashboard, you can either create a new email by clicking the orange Create Email button, or edit the existing email by hovering your mouse to the email on the list and click the Edit button that will show up. You should reach the email editor. On the top part, you should see the sender's details. Click the Edit Details link. Let's start with the from name. Click the Add/Manage button and look for the owner full name code on the name list and select it. It will automatically take you back to the email details. Next is the from address. Click the Add/Manage button and look for the owner email code on the email list and select it. Again, it will automatically take you back to the email details. Now that you can see both of the from email and name codes, click the Done button to save the changes. You should see the owner's full name and the owner's email codes on the from field. This means that the contact owner will appear in the sender's field when the email is received. This email template is now ready for use for your employees after you publish it. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.agency and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!